Hi garden lovers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle. Now today you're gonna have a bird's eye view of my first attempt of container gardening. That bag you just saw me lift up was actually tomatoes, allegedly. I received 2 bags of sweet peppers instead. However, we're gonna make lemonade. So someone actually gave me a free plant of tomato. It was already being grown, and we're gonna go through that step by step to see how it went. Alright, so let's take a look at what we've got. Fresh tomatoes right from my backyard, my first try at container gardening. I'm super proud of myself. So put in the comments how this turned out, if you liked it, if you thought the tomatoes would have been bigger, whatever is on your mind, put them there. But these are fairly small tomatoes to breed, but I think they could be bigger, so next time around I'm going to use a bigger pot.